Okay, we are leaving this morning, but first we're gonna go look at some bald eagles. All the birds know. Eagle sightseeing was a success. Let's go.
Pretty exciting.
So it was amazing. Now we got to get back into the real world.
I'm gonna drive back for the next 12 hours again.
Bring on the 12 hours. Actually, I have a wedding tomorrow. Just made a quick stop for Tim Hortons. Here we go to Canada. Gotta go to Tim Hortons.
Imitation is the best expression of, I guess, praise and appreciation. They're trying to copy Dunkin' Donuts.
Here we go, last 2 hours. Also, there's a rainbow. We made it back.
My fisherman made it back.
No, I don't want 3 cats.
I'm gonna keep 3
No,
cats.
we don't
Yes, I am. No more than 3.
So thankfully I have this phone as well, which also had water damage. I dropped in the Japan Sea in Korea, but hopefully it'll still work. I'm gonna put the SIM card in and see.